Hello, I'm Wanda with Jimmy Branch Homestead, and this is Tippy, wanting to get in the picture. Today I'm going to be unboxing my seed order that I just received from Jungseed, J-U-N-G seed company. I order from several different seed companies, but this year I just ordered all of them from this one that I needed because it had everything that I wanted and needed. So, opening it up, I will take them out and sort them by spring and summer. Okay. Summer. Here we go. Okay, that's front because I need to start them soon. Okay, looks like they might be pretty well sorted. Okay, so these are my summer planting and these are now. Okay, so the first ones up are the Amish paste tomatoes. And these are a great canning tomato because they're very meaty. So they're great for tomato paste, for tomato sauces, for cooking. So I really wanted to make sure I had some of them. And I ordered 2 packages because each has 30 seeds. And there have been years that I have not been able to find these seeds. So I'll use one for this year and save one for next year. I will be starting these any day now so that they'll be ready and a healthy size once our last freeze comes and goes. Next up I have spring radishes. These are the organic cherry bell seeds. And there are 500 seeds in this package. Some seeds I order in larger quantities because you get them cheaper. And next up is carrots. And these are not a super long one. I kind of like the medium length ones. So these are an Adelaide hybrid, and they are early completion one or early cycle one. They only take 55 days to harvest, so that's why I chose this type of carrot. Next up is cabbage. I tried growing cabbage last year, but the seeds I had, I guess, were too old, so none of them took. So I threw those seeds out and bought new seeds for this year, and I'm getting ready to plant those soon as well, probably next month. Next up is broccoli, another cool weather crop. On the cabbage, the thing that I really liked about this particular one, it is a Caraflex hybrid. It's a smaller head of cabbage, but it's early. So it's ready in 68 to 70 days from the time you plant it. The broccoli, this is a longer growing broccoli. It does take 110 days. But I just liked what I read on it. This is a Godzilla hybrid. Oh, I think I already talked about cabbage. Oh, here's another cabbage. It's a different kind. This is 100 seeds. It's the Primo Vantage hybrid. And this is a earlier breed. It is ready in 75 days. So that's why I chose 2 different breeds. I figured that way I can plant them at the same time, have some earlier, and then have some later. Plus our chickens love cabbage too. So I have to grow enough, not just for us, but for the chickens. And next up is cauliflower. This is a Snow Crown hybrid. 100 seeds, and it is ready in 60 to 70 days. So it's on the earlier side as well. Next up I have lettuce. This is an iceberg lettuce. It is 85 days, and the heads will be medium to large, but compact heads. I prefer the more compact heads versus the loose leaf ones because you get a lot more to the head. Next up is spinach. 350 seeds, so I will definitely not use all these seeds this year, but I will plant in different intervals to have them ready at different times. And it only takes 40 days for this. It's called a space hybrid. So I will be planting this soon. I have another lettuce. This is a Simpson Elite. It's a loose leaf, but it's ready in only 48 days. And this is 1,000 seeds. Then I have another kale. It's an organic Darkabor hybrid. And this one is ready in 75 days. So I like to get a couple different kinds of both lettuces and kales and those kind of things because it makes a real pretty salad. And often they're ready at different intervals. Okay, so that's all the cool crop spring garden seeds, which is a lot for me to plant. And next up is the summer, and I will not be starting these for quite a while yet. So first I have a summer squash that is a zucchini organic green machine hybrid. And the reason I chose this one too is it's ready in only 45 days. Well, so is the other one. So the second zucchini, dark green zucchini. Oh, I think this one, well, it's a medium green with flecking. Okay, and this is a dark green. So the other one is a Black Beauty. It's a real common type. It's ready in 45 days. It is a bush. And there are 30 seeds. So one of our favorite, probably is our favorite, slicing cucumber is the Marketmore 76. The only bad thing about these type of cucumbers is if they're left too long, they do get bitter. This packet was less expensive because I bought it in a packet of 1,000 seeds. I do plant a lot of cucumbers. We have chickens here on the homestead, and soon we'll have other animals. And it's just kind of a great way to plant not only enough for us, but enough to help our chickens have some really good produce as well. These do take 68 days to mature. Next up is my husband's favorite, and that is sweet corn, peaches and cream. And this is a hybrid. It takes 83 days to come to be ready. And then my favorite is stringless Blue Lake S7 green beans. But in the past I've grown bush beans, and honestly it's just getting too hard on me to be bending down that much to pick all them beans. So I did buy in bulk. This is a 1,000 seed package. And these are the pole beans. So again, I ordered these from Jungseed.com. I might not be pronouncing that correctly. So that completes my seed order. But I have other seeds that I'm getting ready as well. So this month is the time to start my indoor celery. And I typically plant the Utah tall celery. I liked it last year. I just didn't really start it early enough. Growing from home, they didn't seem to get as big around stalks as what you buy in the store. But I do like these from Baker Creek Seeds. The Utah tall celery, you have to start the seeds indoors 8 to 12 weeks before their last frost. And our last frost here is typically about May 1st. So I don't plant the big ball onions. They're not that expensive in the store, so I typically just buy them from the store and save my growing space for other things. But I do like evergreen bunching onions. And so I have some left from last year that I'll be planting or starting soon. And these are organic. Most of my seeds I order are organic, so I went through, all these are organic, but I forgot to tell you that. So this seed, the bunching onions, takes about 2 months to harvest. So I'll be starting these now and then transplanting them out in the garden probably next month. The other seeds that I will be planting, I may plant some of my older seeds, and if they come to fruition, great, and if they don't, then I'm not out a big loss. But these are some leftover peas that I had from past, and the first one is a mammoth melting snow pea. The second one is Laxton's Progress number 9 shell pea, and the third one is a super snappy pea. Again, these are all organic. I'll be getting ready to start these. Actually, I'm going to direct sow these very soon, this month. And the others, I will most likely wait to sow until next month. And that's if all these don't come up.